Hello guys, this is Clayton. My name is Clayton. I'm a web developer, and many of my friends have been asking me to make tutorials on web development, and today it marks the onset of our HTML tutorials, and today I'll be taking you through HTML. And just for a brief introduction, HTML is a markup language and a framework used in web development. And if you are willing to launch deep into web development, then you have to have full knowledge of HTML, the elements, the attributes, and how to implement it. So today I'm going to be taking us through our first tutorial series on HTML, and we'll be creating a simple HTML document. So follow me. So I'm using Sublime Text, which is my preferable editor, but you could use Notepad, Notepad++, and so on. We have VS Code. So when you're doing HTML, we have what we call tags. First, I'll create my file, create a new file, I'll save it. Let me save it in my local disk C. Under YouTube, I have a folder here. Let me call it index.html. Ensure when you're saving a HTML file, you call .html. So there we go, boom. So I'm going to write my first code. Remember, in HTML we have various tags. HTML. Let me call the title, for example, my first HTML. So this will be our title. Then under the body, I want to create a heading. Let's say heading 1. My first HTML project. There we go. We have our header and we have our title here. So let me save it and run it. You see how it's going to work. So let me go to my HTML, then run it. Remember, in HTML we have the head, then we have the closing tag. In every HTML, when you have an opening tag, you must have a closing tag. For example, here you can see we have the head, then the closing, we have the body and the closing. This is H1, it means it heading 1. We can have heading 2, heading 3, and heading 4, which are denoted. For example, heading 1 you say H1, heading 2 it is H2. So let me open our file and see. Boom. So this is what we've just implemented. So this is the title here, and then this is our H1. Let me try and add H2. You see how it looks like. My first HTML project. Save it and refresh our page. You see H1 it's a little bigger, then H2 it's a little bit smaller. So it goes by they go in an descending order. So H1 will be bigger, H2 will be much smaller as you move down. think you understand. So that's the end of our tutorial series. Remember to like my YouTube channel and subscribe. Thank you.